Hi friends. Today we're going to learn how to add team members to your BannerBoo workspace. So, every user has their own workspace, which is called My Workspace, and you can't invite anyone there because of the privacy reasons. To add someone to your workspace, you need to either create a new one or join an existing one. In our case, it is a workspace called Google. To get to the user manager, click on the settings icon in the upper right corner and select users from the drop-down window. Great! Here you can see all users and their roles. To invite a new user, you need to click on the Invite User button. This will open a new window where you can enter the email address of the person you want to invite and choose their role. There are 4 different roles to choose from. Designer can create, edit, delete, export folders and banners. Viewer can only view folders and banners. Manager can add, edit and delete folders and banners in the workspace, invite and remove team members in the space, assign and change roles. The administrator can add, edit and delete workspaces, folders and banners and can also invite or remove team members, assign and change roles. Once you've picked the right role, just type in the email of the new team member and click the Invite button. You can check all invited users in the Invited Users section. The new team member will get an email with an invitation link, which they need to accept. Once they do that, they can start working in the workspace. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day and see you in the next videos.